Hi everybody, it's Rob Bergio, and today is the question. How do you get inspiration? That's it. You can go to my site, it's called Amplify the Stylist, YouTube, or you could also go to amplifythestylist.com to sign up. But we are talking about clips, hair sectioning clips. I don't know about you, but I'm sick of clips that just rust, break, and are just flimsy. I'm sick of clips that are so tight that you'll literally, they're just too tight. How about clips that just have absolutely no touching to them? Like, what are you gonna do with that? Or clips that are just gonna like seriously break and bend really easy. Or how about the clips that are just so darn big when you're trying to do neat little focused sections, and there's no way you're going to the nape or a pixie with a clip like this, right? There's some great things that this clip does, but it's not for precision hair cutting in certain areas. Or clips that have no grippage and they just slip away from you. So I don't know about you, but I am sick and tired of those clips, so I decided to create my own clips. That's right, you guys, got my own clips, and I can't wait. They are coming out, and stay tuned for those clips. And so if you go to amplifythestylist.com, you can sign up on the waiting list and get free tutorials at the same time. Not a bad idea, right?